It's the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 20th of December. This is James Spann. New surge of cold air coming in here. Got some clouds over North Alabama. Winds are picking up, and a chilly weekend ahead, but warmer next week. And what about the chance of rain on Christmas Day? All the new data is in, so here we go. Upper air look this afternoon. You can see that new trough digging down over the eastern United States, setting up a cold weekend. Visible satellite view, you can see those clouds over the northern third of the state. It's mostly cloudy across the Tennessee Valley. The rest of the state, a case of severe clear. The closest precipitation to Alabama, a little light rain, a few snowflakes over eastern Kentucky and West Virginia. And it's conceivable there might be a snowflake or two underneath that cloud cover across the northeastern corner of the state this evening, but if that happens, it would be totally meaningless. The air is bone dry in the low levels. Temperatures are getting colder over North Alabama. Again, the winds are increasing out of the north. We have mid-40s for Cullman, Haleyville, Winfield, and Huntsville. 50s to the south, Montgomery at 59. The warm spot is Mobile. They have managed 61 today. But again, this new surge of cold air will affect everybody statewide over the next 24 hours. Now, if you want to see a little bit of snow, go to Gatlinburg or Pigeon Forge. They might see a little bit this afternoon, tonight, early tomorrow. Accumulation, if any, there should be light. There's a winter weather advisory for the Great Smoky Mountains of East Tennessee and western North Carolina. Otherwise, pretty quiet around the nation today. No severe storms anytime soon. That's a good thing because this is tornado season, November through May. This is the severe weather outlook through tonight. Maybe some thunder for the northern coast of California. Same thing tomorrow. Maybe some thunder for the coasts of Oregon and northern California. And on day 3, which is Sunday, again, the chance of some thunder for the coast of Washington State and Oregon, but no severe storms expected across the United States, at least for the next 5, 6, 7 days. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday morning of next week, and just not much. Rain amounts will likely be under 1/4 of an inch for most of the state. This is suggesting maybe up to 1/2 inch down in South Alabama. We'll introduce the chance of some rain by Christmas Day on Wednesday, but again, rain toward the latter half of next week, just not looking especially heavy. And we still need the rain. This is the drought monitor that was released yesterday, in case you missed it. And you can see still about 36% of Alabama in some type of drought condition. The rest of the state is abnormally dry. All right, model fans, here we go. GFS, 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 3. Big trough sitting on the eastern seaboard. The weather cold and dry. Lows in the 20s, highs in the 40s. For North Alabama, South Alabama will probably see low 50s, but nothing but sun. Sunday morning should be the coldest morning. That's when the sky will be clear. The wind will be near calm. We'll see a freeze deep into South Alabama Sunday morning. The high Sunday, 50 to 55. Monday, we're still dry. Highs in the 50s. Tuesday, still dry. Christmas Eve. The chance of rain to the west, places like Dallas, Fort Worth, Little Rock. And the high Tuesday will be close to 60 in most spots, so pretty comfortable day. And then for Christmas Day on Wednesday, again, evidence rain will be moving in from the west during the day. And understand it's still too early to talk about timing. Let's look at the European. It's pretty similar. Got the rain a little farther to the west. But clearly on Christmas Day, it will be mostly cloudy. There could be some rain at times during the day. Not raining all day. Nothing too heavy. Probably no thunder and no chance of any severe storms. And the high Christmas afternoon will be around 60 in most spots. A little above average. We typically would be in the mid-50s on December 25th. Thursday, again, there could be a few spotty showers, probably not many. Highs low to mid-60s. And this is a week from today, Friday, December 27th. New trough in the west, ridge here in the southeastern states. And if this is right, we would be dry with highs in the 60s. But again, we'll mention isolated showers Thursday and Friday next week, but probably no big deal. Hey, let's keep going. This is out 10 days, Monday, December 30th. Negative tilt shortwave trough to the west and evidence rain and storms coming in here. But the European says, no way. It's just dry as a bone. Again, the models are all over the board that weekend before New Year's, so we'll just have to wait a little bit to get better clarity. I do think there will be probably a decent chance of some rain, maybe some thunder. maybe around Saturday the 28th with drier air to follow. But again, way too early to know how much rain. Will we see strong storms? We just don't know that yet. We'll be watching for trends. Look at rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble. The mean about 1.5 inches between now and the 4th of January. Temperatures coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. 46 the high tomorrow. Lows in the weekend in the 20s. And again, this is for Birmingham. You can adjust the numbers based on your latitude. For Christmas Day, a morning low of 43, an afternoon high of 60. Not that bad. Then mid-60s by the following weekend out there around Saturday the 28th. And going a little early today, so I don't have the new 8 to 14-day outlook. This is typically issued about 2:30. We're live here at 1:20 today. But again, you get the idea. The gates to the Yukon are closed. This is for December 27th through January 2nd. All the red on that map in orange, that means temperatures will likely be above average. All right, so goodness, no schools next week, no school today. We did Weather Brains this morning, had a great show. But I will be taking a little time off, which in reality you never do in weather because weather never stops. But I will not be on television next week. I will not be doing these videos next week. That will be done by Bill Murray and some of the other colleagues. And again, if you want to watch the daily weather briefing video, just go to the blog, alabamawx.com. It's always over there. But my colleagues will be picking up that duty. I will be back with the regular schedule on Monday, the 30th of December. And, of course, should we have any threat of strong storms that weekend, we'll be here. But, again, for the moment, things look nice and quiet next week. But I will be working this evening. Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Merry Christmas, and God bless.